So, since we're all being palsy-walsy here, how about letting me hook up the RV?
Well...
Oh, it's just a little tiny extension cord. You hardly even notice it.
Okay.
Great! PJ! Hey, Goof, why don't you order us a pizza? This might take a while.
No, immediately.
Here you go, kids. I want to go check out the hot tub.
Okay, sir.
All right.
I can't believe you, man. Whatever made you think your dad would fall for a stupid idea like that?
It wasn't stupid.
Come on, it was really stupid. Changing the map?
I didn't know what I was doing, all right? I was panicked.
I want to make that. No one in real life delivers a pizza that cheesy, so I gotta do it myself. Start with a ball of fresh pizza dough. You can make it yourself or buy it pre-made. Next, grab some melted butter to which we will add garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning before mixing it all together. Then spread the garlic butter mix from edge to edge of the pizza dough. This is what will give us a perfect buttery crust. Grab a ladleful of your favorite pizza sauce. Be careful not to overload your pizza with sauce though, or else the pizza will get soggy and not cook all the way through. Now, time to load it up with the CHEEZAAAA. Sliced mozzarella, like for sandwiches, makes the perfect base for our cheesy action. And because it has a lower moisture content, it melts directly into the pizza sauce for an exceptionally cheesy flavor. Next, add fresh mozzarella slices, which will be the secret to a crazy cheese pull. Finally, top it off with shredded mozzarella from edge to edge to make it look more like a traditional pizza. In the movie, the pepperonis are noticeably different sizes, or maybe those are just different flavors or seasonings. So we'll first add standard size pepperonis, but if you can find mini pepperonis, these will make the pizza look like it came straight out of the hotel room at the Neptune Inn. Pop the pizza into a preheated oven for at least 10 minutes. On a pizza stone if you have one, until the pizza crust is completely cooked through and the cheese is melted and bubbling. This pizza from the Goofy movie really set high expectations for takeout pizzas in the 90s. And with a cheese pull like this one, I think it's safe to say that this pizza really satisfied my inner child. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks to King Favorite and hundreds of others for suggesting this video over on TikTok. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.